Hi, today we have a quick video for you. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I have my Beautylish Lucky Bag that I'm going to unbox for you. If you're not familiar with Beautylish or the Lucky Bag, Beautylish is another beauty website kind of like Sephora, except for not. And the Lucky Bag is a yearly tradition that Beautylish does where they kind of put together a grab bag of items that you can buy kind of blindly. They offer a regular size Lucky Bag, which is $75, and you get $150 worth of products. And then they have the extra large Lucky Bag, which is what I got, which is $150, and you get $300 worth of product. And then they also had a Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, but I wasn't interested in that, and I don't really know any of the details of that. So I did kind of cheat, and I looked at what some people got in their Lucky Bag, but I have not looked in my particular box. I'm hoping that I get some good stuff that I can review. This is going to be like a one-take reaction video to what is in here. So we're just going to get started. So this is what the Lucky Bag looks like in the box. Again, I paid $150 for this, and it's supposed to have just like random stuff in here. This is the package. This is supposed to be $300 worth of stuff. So let's see. The first item that I pulled out is this claw clip from Kitsch. It is made from recycled materials. I will definitely use this, but this is not the kind of thing I was wanting to get in a Lucky Bag. Like, I could pick up something like this at Target for like $3. Okay, I got something from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Collagen Super Fusion Facial Oil. I'm sure some people would be so excited to get this. I'm not a facial oil person. I'll try it. I'll probably review it. So we'll see. I know this had to be expensive. Okay, I see something from Good Molecules, which isn't surprising. This is another facial oil. This is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil from Good Molecules. If you're not familiar with Good Molecules, they're like a super affordable brand. They have some great products, but I was kind of hoping to get like, you know, Natasha Denona and stuff like that. But ultra hydrating facial oil formulated with Camilla and sea buckthorn oils. I'll probably end up giving this away. Oh, Hindash. So I haven't tried anything from Hindash. He's a makeup artist. I think he is his pronoun. I'm not entirely sure. Hindash. I don't know what this is. It's called a Color Fluid Ultra Matte in the shade Canvas. I don't even know what this is. I'm guessing since it's a matte, maybe it's an eyeshadow. I don't know. Moving on to the next thing. This is from Wayne Goss. It is the Luxury Cream Lipstick in the shade Pecan. That is an interesting color. It'll be a great way to try the formula. It's definitely not the color that I would have picked, but it's not bad. I might have to mix it with something. It is a little bit brown. Okay, what is this? Chantecaille. I know how expensive this is. This is a cheek shade, so I'm guessing a blush. In the shade Laughter. Okay. I'll take it. That is nice. What is this? A lip pencil, the Essential Lip Pencil. This is also a Wayne Goss product. It says it's in the shade Sepia. I don't know what that means. Like, sepia is usually brown, but that's not what color this is. This is a really pretty color. I'm losing my light, so hopefully you can see this. I mean, obviously when I use these products and I test them, I'll make sure that I have better lighting. I usually do my get ready with me's and my first impressions in my bathroom, which has better lighting. Oh, I got a brush. A Sonia G brush. It just says classic. cheek, classic cheek. Sonia G brushes, I've heard such nice things about them, and I don't have like any really nice brushes. Actually, I do have some rougher brushes that I've been meaning to review, but this is really nice. Cheek, classic cheek. It is pretty small, so I'm not entirely sure what I would use this for. Ooh, Orbay. This is the Feather Balm Weightless Styler. My salon uses Orbay, and so I know this is expensive. I got a palette. Oh my gosh, like, I was wanting a Natasha Denona palette, and I was hoping for a Natasha Denona palette, and the palette that I got is like the Natasha Denona palette that I wanted. Oh my gosh, it's my dream palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Obviously, like, I love Natasha Denona. I have a lot of her minis, and then I have the midi of the Glam palette, and this one I've been wanting, but I was like, no. I've purchased like 3 Powdergrass palettes this year, so I was like, I can't buy any more eyeshadow. But I'm so excited. Look at these beautiful purples. We got some golds. This is gonna be really fun. Some of these colors are outside of my comfort zone, but like getting it in this lucky bag is like perfect. It's perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that was like a whirlwind. Like, at first I was like, oh no, this is gonna be awful. But I'm super excited now. Like, this was definitely worth what I paid. Like, this is like $65. I don't know how much this is. Again, we'll like add everything up, check the description box to see like how much the total was. This I know is expensive, and I know I'll use it. Obviously the Chantecaille blush, like, Chantecaille is super bougie. They're like a cause-based brand, so they like, I don't think they're certified B Corp, but they donate money to like good causes, and I've heard like really great things. I'm going to be testing out more Chantecaille, so this is going to be like going into my collection for a review, so that is exciting. We'll see about this. The hair thing, I would say probably the most disappointing thing is the hair thing. But some people got a scalp scrubber, and I have like 3 of those. So I'm gonna say overall this box was like really great, and I think I would maybe do it again. Like, next year I might order another one, like if I got a box this good, because I think I definitely got my $150 worth. What do you think? Would you be happy with this box, or would you be like, no girl, that is awful? Let me know in the comments. And I am so excited to get to play with these things. You'll see them in future videos, and of course in reviews on my blog. And if you're looking for some more videos to watch, I think you will like this one right here.